Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 25th of October, Thursday. And today was definitely an interesting day, a day that a lot of people would get pissed off about. There was a pretty nice gap up in the morning time. We took one trade, and what we did is we watched the market come up here, chop around a little bit, and we did get short over here. And then we were able to ride that down, taking some profit. We took 4 3/4 points overall, not too bad, a little over $200. And then the market did come back up, and it looked at first like the market was going to have a little more strength than it actually had. You know, hindsight's always 20/20. So when the market's down here, you know, why in the world did I get out up here? You know, it's because I saw stuff that I thought was going to happen, and it ended up not happening. But most of the time, if you see something that's about to happen, it's better just to get out rather than not to get out. And, you know, I kind of wanted to book profits more than I wanted to just, you know, take a little small trade. You know, but the market did come back up here, did not come back to entry, and it just dropped. So that's why we have a maximum profit potential of 15.5 points. But in actual entries and exits, we only took 4 3/4 points out of the market, or 11 ticks. And you know, that's what I wanted to talk about today, because a lot of people would get angry. You know, 15.5 possible points, and you only took 4 3/4. You know, but you know, it is what it is. And on a day when there's only, you know, a couple points to be had, you know, we'll get them. And it's more on sticking by your principles rather than taking stupid trades. And I think that's what a lot of people would do. And a lot of people, you know, they get messed up here, and then they would get messed up probably inside of this little thing. Say if this lasted for 2 hours, that blows up accounts, and the market coming, you know, one direction quickly, that usually messes up accounts too. And you know, I just wanted to talk about this a little bit. Hopefully you find some value in what I said. You know, if not, sorry about that. But you know, hopefully you did gain a little bit of insight. You know, I've you know, trading is something that I'm definitely passionate about, and I do have a lot of fun with it. And it's, you know, it's something that if there was no such thing as money in the world, I would still do it. And that's when you know that you are actually passionate about it and you have fun, and it's something that you enjoy, something that, you know, you have a lot of fun with. And you know, trading is something where most people don't care about it. They don't want to understand it, and that's why I always say that trading's not for everyone. My style of trading's not for every trader, because it's really not. You know, the traders make up a very, very small minority of everyone in the world. And you know, living in South Carolina, it's not the largest hotspot for traders. You know, a lot of traders don't hang out in the South. You know, a lot of them are where the action is. You know, New Jersey, New York, California, you know, even Texas even. I know a few traders in Texas. You know, but South Carolina is not a huge destination. And, you know, that's what I'm saying. A lot of traders, it's a lonely business, trading is. You don't have a lot of people to talk to. I can't go talk to my neighbor about it because they'll be dumbfounded, tell me to get the hell out of their house. You know, but we do share a common interest. You know, we want to make money, we want to learn how to trade, or we want to become better at trading. And I'm always looking at different ways to improve myself as a trader, and I'm always learning new stuff. Whether I implement it into my trading strategy or not is irrelevant. You know, usually I don't, but at least I am learning new stuff, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to become a trader. You know, number one, I love competition, and in trading, I think it's the ultimate competition. I thought it thought it was when I first began trading, and I still think that it is the ultimate competition. And that's one of the things I wanted to bring to the table, my competitive spirit. And there's a continual learning aspect of that, and that's one of the things I love as well. I like to learn new stuff. I like to continuously learn new things because I think it's exciting. I think it's fun, and every time I learn something new, I can usually relate it back to myself, and I usually learn something about myself as well. So I have a lot of fun with that. I do love to learn. I love to compete, and that makes me love trading. So everyone out there, if you don't know what your why is, why you want to learn how to trading, and it can't be to make a lot of money, because you can make a lot of money in a couple different ways. It doesn't have to be trading. It has to be something bigger than that, bigger than just to make a lot of money. Why do you want to make a lot of money? Maybe you have a sick grandmother you can take care of, or something that really gets you going, burns that fire inside of you to want to learn. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. Hopefully you found some value in what I was talking about. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely appreciate the support, and I would appreciate the continued support if you enjoy what I have. And of course, if you don't want to leave a comment, you can always email me privately. Some people do that. A lot of traders are private. They don't like to, get out and let everybody know that, hey, I'm a trader. And that's fine. Everyone's different. They're going to have different ways of going about things, and that's cool. And that's what makes the world a great place. So definitely appreciate all the support, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.